Sholay that we know as a film would not change, but the Sholay in terms of success is something you cannot predict.
When you were making Sholay, did you know this will become what it is today?
If I knew that, I would have made it again.
शोले 2 क्यों नहीं बनाई?
I have never been tempted. But if what I wanted to make came out right, it doesn't mean that I have to remake that. We worked very well together. There was no rivalry of that kind. Each did his best. Amit Ji was going through his dip at that time. Some of his films had not worked. By the time I started, Zanjeer was released and it was a hit. Diwar came before us. That was a hit. So he was on his way back. Gabbar, actually we had signed Danny Denzon. So by the time we were ready to shoot, he was busy there and he couldn't come. Amjad Khan was not, he had not really acted. Javed suggested his name. They brought him to the office. We had a look. So I was quite pleased to see him. Before Sholay, they said, can we have a larger amount? Then they went on to take 10 times that amount. Even I paid, in the next film, Shan, I paid 10 times that amount.
Very rarely do we come across a movie that creates history and is spoken about in Indian cinema each time we celebrate work that's been incredible. And today we are here to celebrate the man who gave us one of the best films that one could watch, Sholay. So, Mr. Ramesh Sippy joins me only on FPJ Showbiz. Hello, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. एंड 50 ईयर्स तक अगर हम एक मूवी को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ बिग डील. आजकल तो आई थिंक ऐसा होता भी नहीं है, बट व्हेन यू डिड इट एट दैट पॉइंट इट वाज इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज देयर वर बजट कंस्ट्रेंट्स, देयर वर टेक्निक कंस्ट्रेंट्स, कितना कुछ. अभी तो हमारे पास सब कुछ है. व्हेन यू वर मेकिंग शोले, डिड यू नो दिस विल बिकम व्हाट इट इज टुडे?
If I knew that, I would have made it again. You can never tell. You can tell that you have made a good film. You can tell that you have made it satisfactorily to your satisfaction and to the satisfaction of those who worked with you and hopefully the audiences. That will actually happen when the film is released. But you cannot, it's impossible to say it would have become a Sholay. The Sholay that we know as a film would not change, but the Sholay in terms of success is something you cannot predict. It's not possible. At least that's my opinion.
I'm sure a lot of people even today ask you कि सर शोले 2 क्यों नहीं बनाई?
जी.
उसका क्या रीज़न था? क्योंकि आई एम श्योर आप इतने बड़े फ़िल्म मेकर हैं, इतने बड़े विज़नरी हैं, आपके दिमाग में ये आया होगा कभी ना कभी तो.
बातें होती हैं इसके बारे में, लेकिन I have never been tempted. Said if what I wanted to make came out right, it doesn't mean that I have to remake that or follow up with a sequel. अब sequel का भी देखिए, अब सब समझना चाहिए ना. We Amjad Khan and Sanjeev Kumar passed away. Then to try and Amjad is a very major character.
Yeah.
Sanjeev Kumar, shayad phir bhi another person with that kind of get-up may have worked, but certainly not Gabbar. You cannot. The disappointment would be there itself. So I think I didn't find wise. Maybe others would have done otherwise. But I personally think Sholay should not have been attempted again. I did not.
वाओ! व्हेन शोले रिलीज़्ड बहुत लोग तब कह रहे थे कि हम हार्ट ब्रोकन हैं बिकॉज़ अमिताभ बच्चन वाज़ killed in the movie, and this was like a big huge thing. I was just talking to my dad this morning and I told him that, you know, I'm interviewing you. So he told me all of these things because he, of course, was there, present there in that era. Um, did you, when this happened, were you thinking कि ये हो सकता है? आपको ऐसा आइडिया था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, लोग काफी अपसेट हो जाएंगे अबाउट दिस?
नहीं, देखिए, ये रीजनिंग ठीक नहीं है. दीवार में भी अमिताभ बच्चन died
Yeah.
and people liked the film. It's not like they did not. It was a big hit. And it was a very good film. And his performance was brilliant. So to say that, I don't think is correct. When you feel that much for a character, it means that they love that character.
Yes.
It does not mean that he should or should not die. They are unhappy that he died,
Yeah.
but then that is what the purpose of the story was.
Correct.
Because at that point, Mr. Dharmendra gets up, Viru, and said, and is more charged to take the revenge. So that is storytelling. You can't, if you keep changing it because of this or that, then it's not the same thing. You should be, if you're convinced that this is your story, then you should be able to tell it that way.
आज भी स्कूल हो, कॉलेज हो, जब दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं उन्हें जय एंड वीरू का टाइटल दे दिया जाता है. इवन टुडे, लाइक वी आर इन 2025 एंड आज भी ये सब हो रहा है. तो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग वो कैरेक्टर, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग वो बॉन्ड दिखा हमें वो मूवी के थ्रू कि आज भी लोग उसकी बात करते हैं. व्हेन यू वर कास्टिंग देयर वुड बी इमेंस प्रेशर ऑन योर शोल्डर्स बिकॉज जय एंड वीरू को हमें ऐसे दिखाना था आपको कि दे आर अनब्रेकेबल.
देखिए, of course, that was the intent of the film, intent of the story, intent of the script, कि इन दोनों की दोस्ती इस तरह दिखाओ कि अगर एंड में ऐसा हो तो फील काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट हो उसका. That is why the last line of Sanjeev Kumar at the station is, I don't know what you have gained. I don't know what I gained. But you have lost a lot. You lost your best friend. So it was, the truth was, but he had to take his vengeance. So he called these two guys, and the process, he lost his friend. I mean, Dharamji lost his friend. So, but then when he gets into the train, he's found his love, and he goes off with her. So that keeps happening in the film. A sad moment, a happy moment, a sad moment. That's why they go full of the right kind of emotions.
That is true. You know, today we see so many young actors who are entering or who have made the name for themselves. आज के जिन्हें superstars हम कह सकते हैं. A lot of times there's this insecurity कि ना हम multi starrer में काम करेंगे तो ऐसा ना हो that we are overshadowed by somebody else. Sholay is a very, very big example of how when you're talented enough and when the script works in your direction, the direction itself is so powerful, nobody can overshadow you. Your role and your impact will always be there. When you were making Sholay, did you feel that there was a lot of security, a lot of friendship amongst these big stars that worked
Yes.
together?
They worked very well together. There was no rivalry of that kind. Each did his best and was happy doing what they were doing. Internally, I don't know what went on in their minds, but I'm sure because when they had heard the script, Salim Javed and I went along and we narrated the film, the story to them as a script. They were all happy. As a matter of fact, the tussle was who should play what role.
Wow. Who was the most difficult casting in the movie?
See, in the film industry, we have different ways of doing that. I had made a previous film, Sita or Geeta.
Yes.
In that, I had Dharamji,
Hemaji.
Hemaji, and uh, Sanjeev Kumar. So I was determined to have all three of them
So sweet.
in Sholay. And we did that. The other casting, Amitji was going through his dip at that time. Some of his films had not worked. But by the time I started, Zanjeer was released and it was a hit. Diwar came before us, that was a hit. So he was on his way back. He had become a star again.
And how did you find your Gabbar?
Gabbar, actually, we had signed Danny Denzongpa.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And he was in Afghanistan shooting for Dharmatma, Firoz Khan's film. So by the time we were ready to shoot, he was busy there and he couldn't come. And the choice was either to delay another 3-4 months, 5 months, or whatever, and then and personally, I was not ready to wait. So we had to make a quick decision. Now, Amjad Khan was not, he had not really acted in films before. He was assisting K. Asif on a film, Love and God,
Okay.
after Mughal Azam, his next film. And he was, Salim Javed suggested his name. They brought him to the office. We had a look. I had seen him in a play in which my sister was the lead and he was playing the main lead. So I was quite pleased to see him, and I said, "Oh, this is good," and he's got the kind of look. He was called to the office, and we did a bit of a test with him and the outfit with the gun and bullets and all that. And said, "Yeah, fine, let's go."
Wow. You know, as a director, you had this huge responsibility also because you were making a movie with so many actors in place and it had to go in a certain way to become the Sholay that it is today. Was it very also difficult for you at that time, that direction? Yeah, it was just smooth like other movies.
See, difficult, anything you want to do well is difficult to do. Never think it's easy. But difficult means hard work.
Yeah,
Difficult does not mean impossible.
true.
So you do your best to get the result you want. And at any point, whether it's in a shot or it's an overall decision or it's a performance or it's, you take a call always. Yeah, this is good. Yep. I used to take, I mean, there are times I have taken a lot of retakes, and there are times I've okayed a shot in the first take. So there is no real way of knowing. Something inside has to tell me that this is right.
Yeah. अभी हाल ही में there was this podcast that Javed ji did and he was talking about Salim Javed की जो फीस की बात तब होती थी that they used to ask a very high amount of fees and a lot of people used to say कि ये लोग पागल हो गए हैं कोई नहीं देगा राइटर्स को क्योंकि तब के ज़माने में सर बहुत पैसे
जी,
होते थे
जी,
ना
जी।
वो तो शोले के साथ भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ था तब
Not really. They started with me on a monthly salary,
अच्छा
and before Sholay, they said, "Can we have a larger amount, and बताइए. They quoted a figure. I said, okay.
Wow.
So I think then they went on to take 10 times that amount. Even I paid in the next film, Shan, I paid 10 times that amount.
Wow.
So that's naturally, Sholay became such a big hit.
Yeah.
So they deserve, they should be paid. So I think you make a judgment call. If you're the maker, then you make the judgment call. Is it right or fair, or and if it's a fair thing, why not?
A lot of times in rapid fire, this game that we play with actors, there's this question asked कि अगर शोले आज बनती तो कौन होते जय and वीरू? You are the man behind Sholay. If I ask you hypothetically, if today you want to search for Jay and Viru, who do you see that in? Nobody.
I won't, no, no. I won't venture into making a guess because I'm not going to make
Yeah.
Sholay again. I know it's a fair question. I'm not against the question, but I've never thought of it like that, so I can't give you the right answer.
As you know, Hema ji said that we should not touch classics. And I think that is fair enough that शोले को I think वो एक बार बनी है तो उसको वैसे ही रख देना चाहिए. But you have worked with so many people, so many talented people, so many talented actors. Today there is this notion in the Hindi film industry in Bollywood that movies कोई नहीं चल रही ज़्यादा, box office success नहीं मिल पा रहा है. What do you think as a filmmaker we are doing wrong?
It's not wrong. What is happening is technology has brought changes.
Yeah.
Those changes are not only for I mean, technology changes don't just come into uh, equipment, things like that. The today it's not film; it's digital.
Yeah.
You're making a film. How do you decide uh, how to go about it when you know that the actor's time takes stars, they have limited time, they take a lot of money. So you have to compact your schedules in a way that you're able to make the films the way you want to make them, and they are also able to uh, give you the dates that
Correct.
you want. Today, a man like Sanjay Leela Bhansali still can dictate. When he decides to make a film, people fall in line and they do it. So for a few makers, it will always be like that. There won't be a there won't be a time where if you're a good maker, you have that standing in the market, then you will. So I don't think it's a problem like that. I think casting and we box office. How do you judge box office? Box office used to be 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and 4 rupees when Sholay was released. Today it's 200 and 400 and 800 rupees.
Yeah.
So yes, value of the rupee has also changed. And today we're living in a time where everything is much more than it was, but not to this extent.
True.
100 times? No, I don't think so. So it's difficult on the family to go and see a film with so many. So I don't think because today there's a lot of income from other sources: television,
Yeah.
OTT, then you have other platforms, YouTube, and this. So many. I mean, there are so many avenues. So you try and spread the, but the risk is always there.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work all the way. And there are films, whether it's recent or in the old days, some don't work, some work, and some don't work.
You know, lastly, before I wrap the conversation, there are so many re-releases happening. बहुत iconic movies release हो रही हैं फिर से theaters में. Now that 50 years it's completed, will we see Sholay re-release in
In the
India?
theaters,
Yes.
very much.
Oh wow, we would love that. Because we couldn't watch the film in theaters. We always watched it in TV, and that was also a different joy with the entire family. But we would love to go and watch it in a
Yes,
theater.
it will be out in theaters. I think there is a plan to release on the 7th of November. I'm not sure.
Okay.
And everything else fits in. I guess it will be the 7th of November.
Wow. Looking forward. But thank you so much, sir. There are very few people who, we can have a hearty conversation with, and you're one of them. Thank you for giving us Sholay.
Thank you.
Thank you.